morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, in our previous session, we had discussed about common insects. We had solved eye connect exercise. Along with that, we had also discussed body parts of an insect. So, today we are going to learn life cycle of a butterfly, and along with that, we are also going to solve checkpoint exercise 1, which is given in your course book. Okay, children, are you all ready? So, let's begin. So, children, life cycle of a butterfly that we are going to learn. Before that, insects, children, they lay eggs, and then these eggs go through several stages of development, and then they will become an adult insect. So, insects such as houseflies, they will also go through these four stages of development in their life cycle. Houseflies also lay hundreds of eggs at a time, while butterflies and moths, they also go through children four stages before becoming adults. So now we are going to discuss about life cycle of a butterfly. There are four stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. First is they are egg, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. So stage one. In stage one, the butterfly lays eggs on the underside of leaves. And then in the second stage, these eggs hatch into larva. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. A caterpillar looks like a worm. So it grows quickly and feeds on leaves, right? Then next stage, the caterpillar makes a cocoon. And this stage is called pupa. The caterpillar starts slowly and gradually turning into a butterfly in the cocoon. And then in this stage, the cocoon opens and the butterfly comes out. So the butterfly learns to fly. It then searches food, and the butterfly again lays eggs, and the life cycle of a butterfly continues. So this is a life cycle of a butterfly. They have four stages, right? And after that only they are going to become an adult. So these stages of development, they have to they have to pass, and then only they will be able to become an adult. Now we are going to solve checkpoint exercise 1, which is given in your course book, and page number is 41. So question 1, answer in one word. A hard outer covering on an insect's body, that is called what, children? Chitin. Then B1, the part of an insect's body that helps it to smell. Which part is that, children? Antenna. Third one, the part of an insect's body that gives attachment to wings and legs. Which is that part? Thorax. D1, the part of an insect's body that lies below the thorax. That is abdomen. E1, the part of an insect's body that helps it to fly. Which part of an body, children? Wing. F1, the larva of a butterfly is called what? Right now only we had discussed caterpillar. And G1, caterpillar makes a cocoon in this stage. Which stage is this? Pupa. Name of the stage is pupa. Now we will solve question 2. Look at the given images and put them in the correct sequence according to the life cycle of a butterfly. So as we had already discussed, yes children, which is the first phase. So which is the first phase, children? They are butterflies are going to lay eggs. Yes, then it is going to form what? Larva, that is called as caterpillar. And then they are going to follow which stage? Then which stage is going to be there? Cocoon. Pupa stage. They are going to form cocoon, and that stage is called pupa. And then you will be able to see what you will be able to see from that cocoon, that butterfly is going to come out. So first one, they will lay eggs, then the caterpillar you can see over here, then third will be pupa stage, and that fourth butterfly is going to become an adult and it is going to come out. Is it clear, children? I hope, children, whatever I have explained is clear to you all. So let's do a quick recap, children. We had discussed life cycle of a butterfly. Along with that, we had also solved checkpoint exercise 1, which is given in your course book. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day. Bye, children.